welcome back to another episode of Workers Resources. Today, the sewage system needs to be addressed, and I've been reading some in-game issues have been popping up. I didn't do anything really between episodes besides put down a line, which I did not finish, for power to make sure it fit, because I didn't want to finagle it on recording for like 10 minutes. So that's pretty much what we got today. If you like what I do today, I hope I can earn your subscription. Past that, there's links down below in the description about the game, the mods I'm using, if there are any. There's probably one mod right now that's old as hell. I think the stuff I put in there long ago is in the game now as part of base game. Past that, if you want to join our Twitch stream, which I stream 5 days a week, or you want to join our Discord, the links are down below. Let's get into it. Let me shrink this camera because you don't need to see this. Oops. Oh no. Please don't do this. No, I clicked off the camera. Video capture. Boop. Why did I get rid of this? Aha. Pin that up there. Now, you can actually move a lot of the boards you want to. All right, so what we're doing, we'll let this thing go in the background. This is my first day recording back. Yesterday I recorded 7 episodes. This is, technically it's the 22nd of February, Thursday, and I just woke up from a huge nap. My stream actually voted to say go ban. I know my online name. Go to bed. You're yawning too much. You're too tired. We don't want to see you. I'm like, all right, it's fine. So I love that we're using a shed load of stuff because every board is filling up with like other cement or fuel. The other one is filling up with, I mean, that's empty. What are you loading? Wait a minute. Steel import line. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are you voted not to? Oh, I see. Load steel. It's not loading steel. I'm kind of wondering why. The steel import line... Oh, I know why. It's full. This thing is full. So, here's something I saw when I was looking off stream. Real quick, down here. It says no garbage truck for small containers. Didn't realize I needed that. Small container loading. Large container platform. I need one of these anyway. So, I'm kind of glad because I wanted it. So, I'm going to buy one of those and let it work. And it should be fine. I'm going to push them up to like 9,800. It should go immediately, get some fuel and take care of that. Now here's the line I'm talking about. I put this in where the line is here and it goes out here, but I left the other front to go down this way. I don't want to go down that way currently. So I took it back around to here. I kind of figured that might happen. I'm okay with one extra. If you're thinking about the space in one extra tower, that's all right. This is our little technical area. I'm going to put all these buildings in. Now they're locked in. They can be built. Stupid rain. Let's go a little faster. And today we're going to work on the sewer. I want to make sure all of this, when it gets built, the sewage gets treated and dumped into the river here and goes downstream for someone else to deal with. Because whoever this is, I mean, the Soviet, whatever, they can deal with it. They're much more equipped to deal with it. I could ship it out, but I don't want to. So first things first, we got to go into water and plumbing, and we've got to go a sewage tank. We'll pull it off. You don't want to have. I've seen people go, oh, look, I could put one tank here, and everything runs off it. I don't like the idea of overwhelming the sewage because I've seen it happen where it can't get rid of enough flow of water or sewage, and you'll have it overwhelmed. I don't like that. So I'm going to do a couple things. One, I know how they work. Sewage treatment, sewage loading and unloading. So what I want to do is make sure over here in this area, or maybe over this area, we have a sewage loading area. Now, if you look at this road here, the reason I did this, you have the fire station there, you have a distribution house here, fuel here, and then you have a gas station here. This little truck here takes the fuel from there and dumps it in for this station from another one that's over here. So that means, the reason I showed you all that, this area here isn't really used. And if I put a truck down here, it's not going to be the end of the world to put a little extra traffic on this road. So I'm going to do that right now. It's going to be the sewage water unloading. I'm actually not sure about this one. Water loading and unloading. I need sewage loading and unloading. And the reason being, I'm going to tie all the stuff in over here to this area. So I'm going to put it like this. Hit control, move it a little sideways, build it down. Now then, from there, we got to pump the sewage in. On both sides of this, I think I need a pump, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I keep following this because I don't want to make a mistake. So that's a sewage switch. That's a sewage pump. The way this works, the farther down you go, the more pressure it'll have. The sewage goes down. For you, it's this way. to the sewage thing that gets pumped up and then down again. It's like a giant sine wave pattern. And you want to be able to make sure you have enough of it. So what I'm going to do is put a couple in here of sewage tanks. And I'm going to overbuild in terms of having more capacity versus what I need, so the system doesn't get overflown and there's sewage flowing everywhere, which, as funny as that sounds, it's not too funny when you live in it. So we're going to go like this. We're going to put one... this back here, I forget, this is a water thing. I'm going to put it like right here. Sewage like right there. I'm going to put another one probably here is fine. I mean, I know there's one there, but I'm going to put another one over here. That's two. I'm going to put another one. I'm trying to build off existing structures so they can use the pathways to be able to construct them. Like there's another one here being built. That's a water tower right there. Or sorry, water water pump to make sure the buildings have water. So I'm going to build the thing right off the same road. That way they're close to each other. That's four. That's four of them. And there's one, two. There probably needs to be two more in there. And I'm willing to put it down. There's one there. There's one there. One more inside might not be the end, but I think that might be asking for trouble. Because well, no, one more would do it. I'll show why. If I put one right here, right, and then I put a sewage pump, a big one, like a 15-meter one, like right, let's say right about. Now let's flip it. Press T. If I go like this, here's what will happen. So we're gonna go underground, and these are larger pumps. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna say a medium pipe. I'm gonna go underground with this button. Boop. So you can see the pipes that are already here, but we're using sewage now. So the idea is going to be to put these two need a pump to pull the sewage from them to this one. These three actually, so I'm going to put a pump in there. I think actually that is the pump. It'll put all three into that if I put a switch. But I need to put multiple switches. So let's see, what do we need here? We got 2 in, 3 in, 1 out. So this is actually perfect. If I put it here, I can build it. That's going to be very careful about that water tower next to it. So I'm going to put it across the street, press T, and build like this. Now, why? Because I don't want to have to finagle the pipes around like that. I'm going to have to already go over there. I don't want to go across this pipe, and that pipe. So I'm going to try to make it a little easier on myself. And yeah, if it screws up this area having a garbage bin, I'm okay with that. Then we're going to go to a medium pipe, and we're going to go like this. This guy here is going to go like that. He can't. Requires proper slope. I'm not sure. Did I do that right? If I put it down, I can't get it up. I was afraid of that. See, there's limits to towers, and I know this one here goes farther down. I thought that's why I built a deeper one under there. I wonder if I can finagle it. I'm with the game paused. Up, maybe? Nope. There it is. Why are you trying to connect to that? There you go. I'm gonna go like this. And then like this. It doesn't want that. Requires proper slope. So I don't want that one. I'm not sure 100%. I've not done this in so long. And I don't remember what the problem is here. I think it has to go from not to the switch. Let's get rid of this one. Because the game's paused. And we're going to get rid of this road real quick here on the upside. Oh, you effing piece of stuff. Nope. Almost made me put in a real road, didn't you? Okay, so let's try this again. And this is why I paused the game, because I don't really remember this stuff. And there's probably someone, oh, I know all this. Good for you. I'm happy. I'm glad someone can know it, because I don't. I think we have to go... See, this is a pump, and this is a water substation. Where's the other one? That's a sewage tank. So I need to go from a sewage tank to a pump, then a switch, not the other way around. I almost did it again. Okay, thought it out. Sewage pump. Let's go on the ground. We're going to go from here. We need a couple of these, actually. So we need to get rid of this line. Can I select this line and get rid of it? I don't want to get rid of the building. I just want to get rid of that one piece. Okay. So we need to go from that sewage substation to a couple pumps. And the pumps, unfortunately, I don't think you can put a pump to a... or a switch to a pump. Like, so I'm going to try it my way. Like that. There's that. So I need to have a couple of those. That really sucks. It's not the end of the world. It's just annoying is all. Because I want this thing to be fueled to a switch. So I'm going to have another pump over here. I guess I need a couple pumps, which is all right. As long as you have the pump, you should be fine. Okay. And then these two pumps have to go to that. Is this a pump too? That is a sewage pump. So I need a switch before that to make sure they work. So I'm going to go for a sewage switch. It's got 3 in, 2 out. That's what I wanted to put over here in the first place. Press T. Like that. Now that one, that's another tank right there. I need another pump. A 10 meter should probably do it. I don't know if it's going to work though. I'm going to put one over here. Oh, that's a really far away. Well, maybe. I see the path over there, so I flip it that way, it should work. And this is why I'm holding construction until I'm done. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. This one goes here. Now all that sewage is going to that. That's good, but that's only half the facility. So you need to build the other half. Oh my god. And remember, we have 2 tanks over there. 1, 2. So we gotta go this way. So this sewage comes up. 2 more. So we need 2 more pumps. Wow, there's a lot of pumps involved. And I'm okay with that. I'm glad it's happening. I'm just like, flip over this way. No, flip over this way. Go like this. The other one is here. So we're gonna go like this. Press T again. Flip it over to this side. Go like that. Now we got those 2 and that. We need another switch here, which is going to be on this side of the road, because we're going to be taking the sewage over that way. So we're going to put the sewage pipe right about. Where's the pathway? There it is. Okay, put it like right there, right about, because we're connecting to that. So we're going to put it like over here, like that, and then we got. I hate this so much. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna put a bigger pipe though, because the back area will be flowing to it more. So we're gonna go this one here. Wait, did I do this wrong? That's alpha water switch. Uh-oh. Wrong one. Thank God I caught that. Get rid of you. I need a sewage switch. Oh my god, I swear, game. By game, I mean myself. Of course! Why would we not want to get rid of the whole road when I'm getting rid of that one piece? I mean, that would make sense. Sewage switch. No. T. I think that'll work like this. We're going to put a pathway in real quick because I'm going to forget if not. That way they can go and build it. If you put a pathway in, it lets trucks use the pathway to go build it, construction vehicles. I had to learn that the hard way. So, here's the path. But the bigger pipe, rather. The bigger pipe will go like this. Requires proper slope. Requires proper slope. I think I need to put another pump to it. It's just too far. I think if I go like this, I'll be able to. Sewage pump there. Like that. This one to that. This one to... That doesn't need to be bigger. It could be a medium pipe. And yeah, we're going to use a lot of steel, but that's why we bought so much. So those are connected the right way. This is connected to that, and that one is connected to that the wrong way. So I probably need another one right about here. And the reason I'm doing this so I can get on this side, not this side, because this side should be able to put another building down. I want to make sure I can. So we're putting another sewage pump. This is a pump too. So it should be fine, but if you have mess ups like I'm doing, you can move it by putting extra pumps in. This is it's a 10 meter, So I put a 15 meter and it should work. I want to see... No, I'll put a 15 in. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Put it like that. Put the smaller pipe in here. Like this. Nope, I caught that one wrong. If you don't see the thing disappear, if the arrow doesn't disappear, you're not on it the right way. So there goes that, and now we have a bigger pipe. Because this is a pump, correct? No, it's a switch. So switches can't pump. We need another pump. Always remember that. I've made that mistake in front of you guys enough. It's the same amount. It should be fine, but I'm gonna try to always overgo too much. I'm gonna go like, say, like this, and I'm gonna put a big pipe from here to that one, and this one to this side. And here's why: that pipe on that side will help if there's anything over here industrial-wise that needs sewage treatment. We can connect to that, and this one here will outflow. Because this is a sewage loading area. There might be an issue with that, and I want to make sure I have the ability to change it. The one thing I'm worried about, I think the sewage, it doesn't have pipes that go through. It goes up, and then you can load down. So you can't go through this building. So instead, I'm going to put another switch in here so I can go to it, but I'm going to bypass this thing. The reason being, for now, it's going to move it out. Right now, we need to make sure. Well, no, it's not going to go out. So we're going to get rid of it now. Let's go like this. Like that. And we need another switch. Because this is a sewage pump. From that switch. From there, I need a switch in front of it to be able to go to both. Like this. Actually, I haven't built this yet. I can back it up. The pump might be better over there. Let's do that. Thank God there's like the pause method. So we're going to go into make a big pump right here. Because this is a switch. So we need a pump after it. And then we need to switch it right afterwards to make sure we can use the switch again. I'm glad I looked at that because I'm like, wait a minute. I don't have to push this through. I'm going to put it over here so I can put a switch in front of it. And it'll do both. It'll go both ways. So it goes here. I'm going to put a switch right. Hit T. Like this. Nope. Where's the other switch? Is it always 3 into 1? There's got to be a way to not have it be 3 into 1. I need to have an output, 2 outputs, compared to three inputs. There's got to be a way. There's no way it's only one way. How would I do it? If I press T, no. That's 3 in, 1 out. 3 in, 1 out. There's no way to do a transfer? You wouldn't really want to I guess you really wouldn't want to surpass your own treatment system. I'm trying to make it, if there's too much, it goes elsewhere. But these, from what I've told, these are not connected. So you put it in and it's stuck there. And it won't flow through. I remember that from the last playthrough I did of this. Huh. Why would you do it the other way? I mean, we got 3 in, and then you have 3 in again, and then you have 1 in. I can't do 3 in. And if I make this, there's no reason to make that building if I'm going to treat it right over here. So if that's the case, I should not build that building. I should make like a sewage pump somewhere in this area and then have a treatment plant right here and then dump the extra stuff right out there. That's probably a better way to do it. I hate doing that, but I'm gonna pause this one for now, suspend construction, and we're gonna do that. Because that's a switch, so we need a pump right after it to make sure the stuff flows. Pun intended. And that's this pump. So we're gonna go to that pump from here with a big pipe, only a big pipe. And then from there, I really wish we could treat to both, but if any of you know a way to do so, let me know. I don't think there is a way. I mean, if you put that's a small treatment. If you put a treatment in, you get 2 in and 1 out and 2 out. Why would you have two different outs? I guess you could treat it again. That's not what I'm looking for, though. All right, so we'll go there to that pump. We're not going to connect that for now. Maybe someone can tell me why. There's got to be a way to have a self-contained system with an outlet that you can go, hey, I have a truck here, load the truck, take the excess out of the system before it goes down the line. I don't know if that's possible, though. I tried to do it last playthrough, and I remember having to build around this thing. I'm going to do it now just because I know I have to. So I'm going to put another switch in. I think it's, not switch, pump. I'm going to put it over, like, stop, pretty much here. And yeah, I know I'm building a tremendous amount, but I'd rather build a tremendous amount like that. And then over here, it's going to cross the road again to another. I think a poop reservoir would be, I hate to say that, I really do. I don't know if there is such a thing as a poop reservoir. There's sewage tanks, and I think it goes right in. So that's 6,400 gallons of export of wastewater. Import is 6,500. It can treat 20,800 gallons of wastewater a day with maximum people. Okay, so it needs water pumps too, which I'm assuming isn't the best water, so we could probably just pump right out of the ground around this and be fine. So we're going to take a small treatment plant. The road is here. I'm going to flip it because this way... Oh, no, I'm not. Flip it again. Okay, so we got inputs here, and the road is facing to my right. So what I want to do is put this... I need an area that's going to be somewhat flat, or I'm going to have to redo this entire area, and I hate that. The way the game is built, it's very hard, at least it was last time I played it, to put a sewage disflow or a treated water outflow pipe without screwing things up. I might want to put this right here. I mean, it's not like the pipe... Yeah, the pipes can go fine. So I'm going to go like this. It's going to be on the main road, but I'm okay with that. Because if I go here, I have to change the train. If I go here, I don't have to. So I'm going to go like this. Put it down. And yes, that means people have to come on the other side. Then we're going to put the road in. Like this. And there's a reason, because it doesn't need a lot. You're not going to have a lot of traffic in there. Now we're going to take the pipe. There's a pump right there into it. Wow, this took a long time today. We're going to pump you in like this. Remember, the other pipe is available for the industrial area to pump. That's waste inside. And then the treated water will come out, or the treated wastewater will come out. It actually doesn't... It needs a water connection, too. I could have swore it did. But it only has one in. Wait a minute. Question. Water treatment's small. Maximum production per workday is 4,200 gallons of water. Maximum amount of toxic liquids to be eliminated is 20,000. Garbage is 6.3 tons of mixed waste. It needs power. That's all right. I feel like I'm missing a step here. It doesn't need water. It just needs eliminated. Okay, that's fine. So then out of it, we're gonna try to put the sewage discharge above ground. And yeah, I'm sorry this one takes a while, but it's a royal pain in the butt to build this. So here's the other problem. Trying to put one of these down will make you go mad. Can't build this on the water, but it has to be like perfect. And it doesn't give you any inputs, and you can't change it, and you have to hope. Like, you can find a flat spot, like right here, and it'll go like right down, it seems. I hate it. I just can't believe it. Some parts require to be in the water. Yeah, I know, game. So you gotta go until this changes. Some parts are required to be in the water. Yeah. See what I mean? It's such a pain in the butt. Oh, I hate this thing. A lot. I hate this. I've always hated the way the borders are done here. See, what it wants is a flat line, and I can't get one. And I'm trying to. That's why I'm willing to turn it. See that? Almost. Hit the control button. I really wish I knew about it. If anyone knows a better path, please let me know. Not too much. Can't build this on the water. Not trying to. Some parts are required to be in the water. I'm hitting control, by the way. Like, this is shift. This is control. You get the greater view of control. If I could put it anywhere, I would. All I can think of is I have to redo the friggin' line. And the thing about the terrain tools, they suck. They honestly do. Like, you can level terrain and height from center and lower terrain, but it doesn't give you a straight line and say, hey, put this in and match it. And I don't know why. I have no idea why. Connect two pieces? No. I need this thing terrain smooth? No. Lower terrain? No. Lower terrain, raise terrain. And you can make it as small as you want. I just need a straight line. What I'm going to do is, you know what I want. I'm trying to connect this sewage outflow. I'm going to make sure it happens somewhere in the... I'm going to test everything around the area, and if I can't, then I'll make a straight line and try to fix it just so I can, because it's not worth watching me try to finagle with this horrible tool. And it's one of the few things I wish the dev would realize and say, make one tool in here that says, make flat, straight line in water for a port, or for something to be discharged in the water. Why is that such a hard thing? I mean, yeah, I get it. You can make things hard and stretch it out, but what for? And everything else, it's like, put down molds, put down a quay wall, a backfill, you've got it, you're done. Why is this such a huge thing? If you like what I did today, though, I'll make sure it starts for the next one, and I'll let you know how long it took. If you like what I did today, please debate the idea of hitting the subscribe button, only if you think I earned your subscription. Every other button you want to push, well, that's up to you. I really appreciate it. There's links down below, like always, to join our Discord server or the Twitch stream or our gaming community. We've been doing this for almost 20, 30 years worth of gaming, not just, you know, streaming. Streaming's the last 8 years. Before that, it's been like joining people together to play video games, because who doesn't want more cool people to play with? So thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video, and have a wonderful rest of your day.